Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I'm Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make electrical panel with voltage wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DPMCB1, DPMCB2, differential, DPMCB1, DPMCB2, DPMCB3, neutral connection to DPMCB1, phase connection to DPMCB1, output connection from DPMCB1 to connect DPMCB2, another connection output from DPMCB2 to connect differential, output connection from differential to connect DPMCB1, another connection to DPMCB2, again another connection to DPMCB3, output connection from DPMCB1 for load 1, output connection from DPMCB2 for load 2, again output connection from DPMCB3 for load 3. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.